Welcome back, everyone. This is Brian. I'm taking charge from now on. Now we are doing our advanced question and answer. And later on, I will show you questions. You will be given time to write down the question. You can turn to the page 29. There's a big plan for you to do that. And you will be given 10 minutes to write the answer down. And of course, you are allowed to discuss the answer with group members. And later on, you will be randomly chosen. And there's one thing. I have investigated. I found out that on the last class, only Team 1 and Team 5 speak English the whole time. So Team 1 and Team 5, each team gets 5 points. So reminder, if this class you speak the English only, you can also get 5 points. And this including CA students. So please try to speak English. Ethan, what did you say? Want to share with me? Okay, so Team 2, you lost the chance. Now, please write down this Greek question right now. What does current mean in paragraph B? And question 2, what does the transformer do? And the last one is simply explain how does the electricity transmitted to our home. You have 3 minutes to write them down. Meantime, I will check the process. Please leave some space for questions 4, 5, 6, and 7. Hello, the minute passed. Does anyone need more time to write down the questions? Okay, I'll give you 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds and we move on. Alright, let's go to the next page. You have two questions here. Look at page 24. Which power plant generates the most electricity? And question 5 is what will happen if we do not step down the voltage to 110 voltage and 120 voltage for home use? You have 2 minutes to do so. Time to write down the questions. Raise your hands. Okay, only one, two. Okay, 10 more seconds. Let's move to the next slide. Question number 6. What is Taiwan's standardized voltage? Which I asked you to go home and check the answer. And number 7. Is it possible to use Taiwan appliance in written? Why or why not? As long as the answer makes sense, I'll give you a point. I'll give you 2 minutes. 2 minutes is up. And now let's see. How about let's watch some video first. And as like last one, please pay attention to the video. And there's some important information to help you to answer those questions. Now, if you please.
And welcome to the Fun Facts Kids TV. Have you ever wondered how does the electricity reach our house from the power station? Well, if you want to learn about this amazing invisible energy called electricity and want to learn how it reaches our house, then keep watching this video. Electricity is a type of energy that is used to power many appliances around our house, like TV, computers, light bulbs, and more. It is made or generated in a power station. Let's take a look. The journey of electricity generation starts from creating steam. Power stations usually burn coal, oil, gas or nuclear fuel to boil water into steam. The steam rushes along the giant pipes and hits the blades of a wheel called turbine, whirling it around fast. As the turbine spins, it turns a coil of copper wire between the poles of a huge magnet. This is a generator. The magnet's power drags tiny energy bundles called electrons through the wire. The electrons form a flow of electricity called an electric current. The current from the power station is too weak to reach our house. Its strength is raised or stepped up by sending it through an instrument called transformer. The strong stepped-up current is dangerous. It is carried in huge cables, buried safely underground, or strung between tall pylons. A powerful current is needed to send electricity over long distances. When the electricity reaches our town, the current is reduced or stepped down by another transformer. The step-down current is then fed into cables called electric mains, which run beneath the streets. Other cables branch off from the mains and go into every house, factory or office. They deliver the electricity to wherever it is needed. Inside our houses, a meter measures how much electricity we use. There are rows of fuses which are thin wires that melt if the current reaches maximum levels. This stops the current from flowing. Electricity flows around our house through wires called ring mains, which are hidden under the floor or in the wall. Sockets let us tap into the electricity. When you plug your lamp into the socket and turn it on, zap! Instant power. Hope you liked this video and learned some fun facts about the electricity. If you like this video, Please subscribe to the channel and follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Also read about this and more.
Now the video is finished. Let's go back to your question. You will have at least 10 minutes to finish it. Yes. And I have received report that some of you say the question one may be too difficult, so I will give you a hint. Current is produced by the power plant, and you already know that power plant produce energy, and all energy do what? To enlighten our light up, and then we're going to use computer, and those appliances needs what? That is the answer I want.
很可怕。其实也没什么差。对啊，我觉得。
CAC, if you if your student finished the 7 question, please raise your hand on it now. How many questions left? Alright, let's move on because time is running out. Now for question number 1, please listen carefully. Listen carefully. I want the number 1 in the group to answer the first question. And I will start and get a chance. So how about let's start with team 1, who is number 1. Okay, Hank, tell me the answer. Electricity. Alright, electricity. I will remember that. Team 2. Who is number 1? Did you say Chinese alphabet? Did you say English?
I think it is a kind of electricity going to the transformer.
Alright, you can make more little than I thought. Yes. That minds electricity. How about team 3? Who's number 1?
I think it is electricity.
How about team 4? Who's number 1? Number 1. Who's number 1? The first question. Alright, electricity. That's good. Take 5.
然后是 A4 size 的吗？A4 的吗？
Yes, using electricity. The answer is yes. Electricity. Every group get 2 points. Yes, current electricity. Please keep that in mind. And how about question 2? I want number 2 in each group to answer this question. What does a transformer do? You look for the answer from your partners, from everywhere. You know, I'm too lazy to pass the mic, so how about you speak it out? Number 2, in group 1.
Change the
change the what?
Electricity bill.
Okay, let me slide. How about team 4?
It's transforms electricity.
Yeah, they transform electricity into value.
Power that we can use.
But the most correct answer is they change the voltage of the electricity. If your answer is close enough, I'll just give you 2 points, alright? Now, the tricky one. If you answer it correctly, I'll give you about 5 points. Simply explain how does the electricity transmitted to our home. I want number 3 in each you to answer my question. You can prepare your script. I'll give you a couple seconds to do so. Not the most correct one, but good effort. Give them 2 points, please. How about things? Are you ready?
The power was transformed from the low voltage to the high voltage. High voltage from one transfer one place to another. And then when the power got there, then they were just pushing back and the low voltage to the other volt. And they were supposed to go home back in low voltage.
Not exactly what I want to hear, so then 2 points. It's very close, but not that close. Up team 3. Okay, so Rita say the electricity is first generated in the power plant, goes to the ultra high voltage substation, primary station, secondary substation, then to the local former, then to our home. Okay, that's the answer I want to hear. So in K, you get 5 points. Thank you.
Median sounds primary to secondary transform in our home.
Yes, she also got it correct. I will give them 5 points. Alright, can you write?
Generate then after there, then send it to
Nice try, give Tim 5 points. He made more details, so addition 1 point. Give them another one. Because give me the detail. I'll give you the answer I want to hear. So here it is. The answer you can find it at page 24, as I recall. The electricity is first generated in the power plants, and according to the voltage, they might go to the ultra-high voltage substation, then to primary substation, secondary substation, to the local transformer, and last go to our home. And if you mention the electricity is generated in power plants, you mentioned the substation, the transformer, and the home use, I'll just give you 5 points. How about question 4? Number 4 in each team. The answer is quite clear in the picture. Yes. That's correct, but I'm not going to say in case others want to copy it. Team 2. Nuclear power, okay. Team 3. I want to hear that. And how about team 4? Alright. How about team 5? Everyone got the correct answer. The answer is nuclear power plants, the large thermal power plants, and the large hydroelectric power plants. Each team get 2 points. And unfortunately, our time is running out, so I'm going to stop here. And please come back at 11:03.
Hey, 1 hour.